Let me see yan. Let me see, baby. Ano? I can't see. Go. It's okay.
It was like invasion type stuff. Things would disappear, the fighter jets would go back, the things would reappear, and it showed that the government was very sort of out of control. They couldn't control it.
It was such a big thing that the press made it the front page of the New York Times.
Truman took the subject head on.
So there was less hesitation.
Good job, baby. Let me see.
Harry Truman.
Pakita. Aww. Ay na, ang galing mo. Ayusin mo. Tingnan mo yung smile niya. Ay, pinura.
Kasi i-drawing ko again.
Drawing mo again.
Tapos i-drawing mo yung mouth.
Ay, sige. No, you can draw the mouth. Ayusin mo kasi yung... Ang laki ng nose. It's okay. Let me see.
Ang laki-laki ng nose ni Mickey Mouse.
Si Mickey Mouse ba yan? Oh, sige. Bigyan mo na ng smell si Mickey Mouse. Bigyan mo na siya ng smell.
Sige.
Ikaw. Let me see. Sige na. Ang galing-galing mo nga mag-drawing ng smile. Ikaw, patingin. Good job. Patingin. Titignan ko si Mickey Mouse. Sino yan? Si Mickey Mouse. Good job, baby. Good job. Okay, high five mo ko. High five. Good job. Thank you. Thank you for sharing your drawing, baby.
You're welcome.
Okay, bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Flying kiss mo.